Hello everyone, welcome to the course Web3 Hacking with Python. This is the final deliverable. So at the end of this course, student will have a portfolio of practical Python script and tool for Web3 testing, and also experience connecting real-world style, blockchain penetration test, and also that knowledge about identifying exploit and severe vulnerability in the Web3 ecosystem. And this is the end of the video about talking. In the next video I'm going to start the practical stuff, start installation libraries, pythons, and connecting with the creating the account of Itasaken and also the Infura network. So in the next video I'm going to show you about those things. So if you're interested to learn or if you want to know about theory stuff, I'm also write the some stuff in the other slides which I'm going to give you this PDF file, so you can read all of it. And I'm also I also add in the link in it so you guys can click and read about those stuff, those documentation stuffs. So next video is about the practical, then also this course is about the practical hacking. So next video I'm going to start the practical stuff. Okay, so see you in next video.